Deep inside, just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word you handed me this letter that I hope this finds a way to your heart. Please say you love me too. Yeah, these words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise that we will always be together. I love you. Say you love me too. Please say you love me too. Tell me all the times, but baby, love together forever. Love you. I will be your shine, shine.